Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about meme coins or meme coins. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but we are talking about Pepe, we're talking about Doge and Mars, we're talking about CAC, we're talking about Shiba Inu. All these coins, as you know, is not mineable. And we miners of course like coins you can mine. So yesterday I was just surfing around and then I was thinking maybe I should check up miningpoolstats.stream to see what new coins that have come out. And one of the new coins that have popped out is Ironfish, and that's old news. We all knew about Ironfish and when it was launched and everything. But the nice thing is there's a new coin, a meme coin or meme coin that you can mine through your GPUs. Now I'm going to jump into it and show you what coin it is and how you can do it. But before we do that, let's hear from today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Tangem. Tangem Wallet is a hardware wallet that lets you store your crypto assets secure and easily accessible while keeping private keys contained in your card. You can connect up to 3 cards to one wallet, so you always have a way to use your wallet if your main card is lost, stolen or damaged. Tangem Wallet supports over 2,700 cryptocurrencies, including the new one and exciting coin Caspa. Choose between 2 or 3 cards when you place your order. Use the referral code in the description of this video to get 10% discount on your first order. The announced price is including shipping cost worldwide. Tangem is from Switzerland and one of the world's most privacy protected countries. Go to tangem.com today and get the world's most secure hardware wallet today. Now the coin I'm talking about is called Pepe-Pow. It's have a total supply of 90 billion. Algorithm is meme hash or meme hash. It's have a halving each 129,600 blocks. It means each month. I'm not sure what they mean with 3 times or it's either each 1 month or 3 times as far they reach this amount. I'm not sure. Block time is around 20 seconds and the initial block reward is 100,000 peep W. That means Pepe-Pow. Now, the way I found it, that I visited miningpoolstats.stream, I went to new coins, and I clicked here. I checked some of the other coins there, but the Game Pass wasn't, I don't know, didn't bring me any wow or any expectations or anything. But if you click here, you can see there are some servers that you can mine to, and the top servers are coin miners and miningforpeople.com. and as you can see, mining for people have a lot of percents of the known hash rates. This is obviously a new coin. I'm not sure when it was released, but if you hit the web page, it's a simple web page. There's nothing more to it. It's no the only thing that is stated is that Pepe-Pow is set to become the second memorable proof of work meme coin. Now there is not a lot of information on how you can mine it. I went over to coin miners earlier and I saw that you could use different types of miners, but I tested out XMRig and CPU miner and it didn't utilize anything. Nothing happened. I went away from coin miners and I went to miningforpeople.com, and here they recommend to use SRB miner. So I have tested this SRB miner on my workstation, but I also tested it. I also made a flight sheet on HiveOS. I'm going to show you that. But the first thing, I was thinking that we could start and see. First of all, we could make a calculator And you can test to see if this calculator is correct. And if you can also see here at Minerstat that they have announced it here in their trending coins. So if we hit Minerstat, let's say on my workstation I have an old 1080 Ti. So I get around 31 megahash. And for 30 days they are telling me that I should get around 124,000 Pepe-Pow coins. If you go here and you put in the same value and hit calculate, nothing happened. There. It tells me around 129 coins, 129,000. Now I wanted to test this out, so what we can do, we can head over to my web page. Now over here we have the calculator tool that I like to use, and as far as we know, block time is 20 seconds. So each 20 seconds it finds a block, but and it finds let me see, the block reward is 100,000. So we hit that there, and if we hit the calculator, and we have there's 60 seconds in 1 minute, and there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, and 24, that's no, that was wrong. It's 60 seconds in 1 minute, and it's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Multiply that with 24. Yes, it's correct. It's correct. Now it finds a block on every 20 seconds. So divide it on 20 seconds, we get 4,320 blocks. Hit that there. Now we get coins from miners per day. Now my hash rate was 31 megahash, and the network hash rate is set to be 3.36 terahash. Now let's just check it out because we have the Explorer. Yes, so it's 3. Okay, it's pretty accurate. Uh, 3.36 terahash. Okay. Oh, hey! Some dogs are having fun. Now this is how many coins we get per day. So if you take that number there, multiply 3985.714, multiply it with 30 days, 119. Okay, it's pretty accurate. So around 120,000 coins amount. But that's on one card. So I was thinking to launch Pepe-Pow on one of my rigs and see how it does. But before we do that, let's show you how you can mine it. The first thing you want to do is to download this wallet. This wallet is the same wallet like Nexa have, like Neoxa, like Raptorium, all these core wallets. You download it, you extract the files to a location on your computer where you want to have this core running. I think you need at least 1 gigabyte of free space to let the files be synchronized, and those files that needed to be downloaded to your computer. When that is done, you get a window like this. It's synchronizing, and until it's finished synchronizing, you can go here add receive and make yourself a receive address. You just if you want to use the same receive address, you just keep these fields empty, and you just request payment, and you will get a new label down here. Since my wallet is not synchronized yet, but I will still keep it running in the background, but it's not synchronized. Let's now jump on. I have made my own wallet address, so let's jump over to see how we can mine it. Now the first thing you want to do is to go into the pool server you want to mine. And for this example, since I'm in Norway, this is a very nice example. You download the SRB miner from SRB from the GitHub webpage. All links to everything will be in the description of this video. You scroll down till you find the version you want to use. For this example, we are utilizing this. You run it, you create your, when you open the file, I can actually show you. That would be easier. When you have downloaded the file, you need a zip archiver to extract the files to your preferred location. You go in here, and if you scroll down, you will find a bat file that's already prepared for Pepe. You right click on the bat file, edit the file, and here you have address. This is not my wallet address, this is an address I used earlier for an example. I think you can find it on, go to the Explorer, go to top 100, yes, this is the address, I'm pretty sure. I didn't mine to it, I just tested to see how the miner starts, and I will do it the same now, just for this video's purpose. Here everything is set. You use the information here. You find the pool server close to you. I think the port address is the same for all of these. Then you when you have edited the file and you added everything, you set password as X, your wallet address, the server you want to pool to mine to, algorithms, everything, and as long as you use this this code here, everything will be correct. You hit save, and you just run it, and then you can see it starts up. You don't need to run this in administrator privileges or anything like this. This will mine without any extra access. As you can see, it connects fine to the server. Takes a little time. Here it comes. Result accepted, 57 milliseconds. And here you go. This is the beginning of the hash rates on this card. It will jump up to 31 megahash and will stay around there. Temperature of the card is around 62 degrees. It utilizes 196 watts at 5508 megahertz. It's not that bad. Let's check out what the next line will say. The hash rate should have risen. Yes, so it's rising. As you can see, it's rising nice. It's no problem, and I'm going to close this because I'm not going to mine to another person's wallet address. This was just for testing. Now, in the next clip, I'm going to show you how you can mine this in HiveOS. So stick with me and let's jump right into HiveOS. Okay, then we are in HiveOS. Now the first thing you want to do is to create a flight sheet. You add a flight sheet. You find the coin ticker. In this case, is Pepe. W is there. You select your wallet. I already added my wallet. You select the pool you want to mine to, and as you can see, in this case, it's just two options: either solo mine or shared pool. You don't need you need to choose the server close to you. For me, it will be Finland and then Germany, and I choose both Finland low and Germany low, and apply. And then the miner is the SRB miner. You don't need to do any changes in here. Everything is set. You can just actually you can put disable CPU. That will be, if you have a motherboard with CPU, you can just put disable CPU. Everything else is okay. Just apply changes, create flight sheet. Now I have already created one, so I'm not going to create this one. So now let's start up a rig and see how it's doing. Alright guys, here we have my rig. Now let's go and deploy the Pepe-Pow flight sheet. Let's see if anything happens, and let's see if we are getting some nice hash rates. Alright guys, as you can see, we are mining. Now it took some I had to do some changes. I had actually, in my flight sheet, I had forgotten to add the disable CPU, so it wouldn't start mining. It was always crashing through the CPU. Obviously this coin can be mined both with CPU and GPU, but the CPU on this rig here is not very good to mine with, since this is it's built in a mining case. But as you can see here, we have 179.1 megahash. Now this isn't bad. It's these are just 1080 cards. They're stable 1080 cards. I like them. So I will let it run for a short while. If you can check out here, it's 179. You can see what we can make in profits there. Around 400, around $39 a month. It's not much. Gives me 0.6 cents. So if we can increase this to around 500 megahash, you get around 17 cents a day. No, sorry, $4 a day, and $110 a month. And that's not bad. I'm not sure if this coin is listed anywhere yet. We can actually check it out if you go to safe.trade. They are often out with they were the first one out with Ironfish. They were the first one out with Yada coin, but it doesn't seem that they are added here. We can search. No, I can't search. Maybe if I do this, no hits. So it's not tradable yet on any exchanges, but I don't think that's far away. The coin has been released. I checked the Discord channel. It said something about some value. I don't know where I got that from, but it will probably come on an exchange soon, and then you can take out some profits. It's an interesting project. It doesn't bring anything new, but many projects that state that they're set to be, they have, and it's community driven, have, after my opinion, some potential. So I believe this coin could be a nice investment to hold for a little while. maybe until the next bull run, and then exchange it. With my mining setup, I will get around 590,000 Pepe-Pow coins a month. So we will see. It's not much, but we will see. We will see how this. I will follow the Discord channel, keep you guys updated, and we will see how it will do. Now, thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, hit that thumbs up. If you have any comments, please comment down below. I answer all of everyone who comments. I will give them an answer. And if you have any issue, just join my Discord channel, and I will help you there. Now, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.